Welcome back, Cloud Cadets. In the last video, we demonstrated that we could not push to the dev branch after adding a branch policy, but we didn't clean up after ourselves. I think we should do that. First of all, let's get back to the dev branch. And we can see this is before we added the sign-in page, so there's no sign-in page here. And if I check out here, we can see the sign up. So let's go back to the dev branch. Let's remove the sign up feature branch, delete, because we're done there. And then later we'll deal with this, not updating. Shouldn't show those two, but we'll deal with them later. All right, let's focus. Okay, so we have one commit here that we regret. How do we return? Because the remote dev branch now has new changes. It has the sign up page, but we don't have it here, and we even have another commit, and this opens us up for problems. Now there are ways to deal with this by using some other commands like merge and rebase and all that, and we'll look into that in another video. But for now, let's say you forgot, you went with your project, you forgot to create a feature branch like this situation we just created. How do we get back to what it was before, so we can do a git pull without worrying about complications, which is nice when you're new to all of this. So we were before add some text, this one that failed, in the rename header. So I'll right click here, and there's this reset, and I'm gonna go for delete changes, the hard. So I'll click that, and it says, are you sure? Yes, because we never pushed it to the remote, so it's okay. Click that, and we see that commit disappeared. It never happened. It never happened. And now we can see that that was a 1 there, not a 0. So it wasn't one commit ahead. Now it's just 2 commits behind the remote one. And now we can do the git pull. And bam, there we have the sign up page. And now we can continue on to more interesting things without worrying about being mismatched at where we were. So until next uplink, take care.